my today's goal is something that every English learner wants: fluency. But what does that really mean? Well, fluency is your ability to keep speaking without stopping, to express yourself naturally, clearly, and confidently. So, to make you fluent, I'll teach you two methods. Okay, only two. Number one is word bridge method, and number two is ORE method. Let's talk about the first method, word bridge method. You speak your first sentence on the topic, then pick one word from that sentence and build your next sentence around it. Examiners love this method because it links ideas smoothly. No awkward pauses. Let's see it in action. I have spoken the following three sentences on a real exam question. The examiner: tell me about your favorite belonging. This is my first sentence. It's my pen. From this first sentence, I have chosen the word pen and spoken my second sentence. This pen was very expensive. From this second sentence, I have picked up expensive and spoken my third sentence. Its price was $500. From this third sentence, I have chosen the word price and spoken my fourth sentence. This price was very reasonable because the pen has a gold nib and a silver body. You see what's happening here? Each sentence picks up on a word or idea from the one before it. That's what fluent speakers do. They keep the conversation flowing by linking ideas. So, the word bridge method is a technique that helps you speak smoothly and also keeps you focused. Let's try another example. But this time, it's your turn to write. Get a pen and a piece of paper and write a few sentences on your favorite food. When you are done, replay the video and see what I have written. Now, pause the video and start writing. That's what I have written. The topic was favorite food. So I have used it in my first sentence. Oh, I am a huge fan of fish. Unquestionably, my favorite food. I have chosen the word favorite food and I have told you why it's my favorite food. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. From this second sentence, I have chosen the word health benefits. And I have written my third sentence telling you what those health benefits are. Take omega 3 as an example. It's amazing for your heart, which is why I try to eat fish at least twice a week. Each sentence supports the next sentence. That's how fluent speech works. Choose a word from your last sentence, use it to begin your next one. Now let's look at the second method. This one helps you speak with clarity and logic. It's called the ORE method. Now, what is ORE method? Here, O stands for opinion. This is your first sentence. R stands for reason, and this is your second sentence. And E stands for example. In your third sentence, okay, you give example or facts or figures or an anecdote. Anecdote means a short story. It may be a funny story, it may be anything, okay? Very short, one, two sentences only story to prove or justify that opinion. In short, you share your opinion, support it with a reason, and follow up with an example. Let's see how it works. The examiner: do you like summer or winter more? And you, I love summer. This is your opinion, okay? It's hot and sunny, so I can go to the beach. What is this? This is your reason, okay? Last summer, I swam every day and ate ice cream. It was so fun. It's your example. That's ORE method in action. This structure is great for public speaking, conversation, and IELTS test. Fluent speakers use it unconsciously. Let's do one more, okay? Exam question. Do you think having a pet is good? Pause the video and write three sentences. When you are done, replay the video. That's what I have written. Yes, pets are great. This is my opinion. They make people happy and less lonely. And that is my reason. Okay? My pet dog always wags its tail. When I come home, it makes me smile. And this is your example. Okay? Do you like this second method? This method gives your speech structure, depth, and fluency all in one go. Let's sum it up. Today, you have learned two great techniques just to boost your fluency. These two tricks are game changers. Use word bridge method to never run out of words and ORE to sound clear and convincing. If you have found this helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share your ORE practice in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. I'm Teacher Asif. Thanks for watching and always keep speaking English with fluency. Thank you.